What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mushamazing. Welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to get my videos back up going. I've been live streaming on Kick like crazy, so link down in the description. Y'all come over there and check your boy out, man. We play all types of games. But anyway, we're gonna be talking about this program from Elgato. Now it's been in beta since May. I had it for a good month. I'm had it for a good month. So I'm going to show y'all the program. It called Elgato Studio. Still new. It's just like 4K capture unit, but only thing a little different on here, you don't use your microphone. It's straight record. Straight record. And you just go ahead and you just download it right from the website, as you can see right there. I know a lot of people haven't really been talking about it. So I'm gonna talk about it. So I'm gonna drop it down. This is the program. Now I have two capture cards, but I got one on my gaming PC, one on my streaming PC. This is on my streaming PC, capturing my gaming PC. So it's real simple, it automatic tech everything with you what capture cards, what device or guide devices you have. So of course I got the 4K 60 Pro, straight right here, import source, and then the capture card that I do have, and then output, recording format, standard SDR. Over here, I'm sorry, I'm still waking up. Over here is the drop down window. Show you the HDMI color range. As you can see, it got two of you automatic. And then got the HDR tone mapping. And then somebody always calling me. That's my sister. And then you got, of course, the merge. And then, how you want it. So this is the amazing part about it. And I'm showing this on my other screen. And let me show y'all right there. You know what I'm saying? See how I got my screen set up. So showing you my other screen right here. Um, it got the 4K. I got the MK2, of course. That's in default, but you can change it to 1080p. You can change it to 1080p 20 for mobile. I don't understand the 1080p for Screen Dad. I don't understand that. I never did. You know what I'm saying? So you can put your own in there, or you can just have it. So what I'm going to do, since this video that I'm doing is in 1080p, I don't want to record in 4K. So I'm gonna show you some gameplay after this. So I'm gonna put it right there, 1080p, straight 1080p, and gonna switch over. Everything gonna switch over. It should pop right up. There you go, straight 1080p. Still look good. I do have a 4K monitor. I got the LG 32-inch OLED, 250 hertz, blah 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 blah, all that good shit. So obviously this changed too. So let me make sure this is right. Okay. So I'm gonna give y'all some gameplay. I hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all like it. Oh, you tore it. Don't tell my mama about that. I'm touring shit. Got update, do an update after this. So we're gonna go with Steam, and then we're gonna do some. I don't know why I keep doing that. We're gonna do some Marvel Alliance. And this is pretty dope. Then also, hit the record button. I have it on my Stream Deck. Got the screenshots. That's pretty dope. So, but only thing I don't like, it'd be better if it had bang, if it had mic input that you can talk over it. That would be the dope part. I mean, this program would be perfect. I think it's a little better than the 4K 60 capture unit. It's like it's straight to it and everything. It's basically the same thing, to tell you the truth. But I think they is testing this out, but they should put a mic input to it. I don't know what this is. These lines right here. I don't understand the lines right here. So I hope I don't messing nothing up. I hope I ain't messing nothing up. And what's this right here? Let me see. Oh, that make it like that, huh? That's dope. That's dope. So I'm gonna hit the record button. And why is not showing? Okay, something is wrong. Cause my game is showing, but okay, let me see something, y'all. Something not right. Cause my game not showing. Something not right. Oh, it did this. It did that. So that's what it did. There we go. So it wasn't showing because when I switched it to 1080p on my on the program, it switched over. It switched over. So, but now y'all see it's perfect. We got some mobile lines here. So let me give y'all a little gameplay. Yes, yes, you see it, 224 hertz. Oh, whoa. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do a quick play right here. And other thing we're gonna do, we actually gonna link this recording to this. So I hope y'all enjoy it, hope y'all like it. And all that good shit, right? All that good shit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit record on here. So y'all can actually see it, right? And y'all enjoyed the rest of the video. Tell me what y'all think think about the video on the comments down below. I know I'm so stunned. I know it just been. I'm about to get ready for my stream in 8 minutes on Kick. I start at 11 a.m. every day. We're gonna try the new chick.
I am the Phoenix.
Remember, ain't no audio, no mic audio on the video y'all about to see. That's gonna be linked to this. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. On that note, man, God bless. Enjoy the rest.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I am the Phoenix. Behold my cosmic might. Is an outdated term. Jean Grey and I are
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
It's so strange to be back, after all I've seen out there.
Life alone in the cosmos can have quite an effect on one's mental state, I imagine.
I hear you haven't been lonely with a certain gala attendee.
Let's just say I've been keeping him warm.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
A shame my students aren't taking this lesson.
I see. Turn it up.
Too bad, Emma. I was just starting.
Needed that boost.
I like the cold.
I am fire and life incarnate.
I will always lend that. I will keep the thunder raging in your honor, Aurora.
Cosmic flame!
some help. Turning up the heat. We're finding our groove. Double KO.
I thought I was the dangerous one, Jean.
Now I'm really hitting hard. I've got your back.
It's okay. Admit it. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
I'll do whatever it takes to keep the web of light and destiny from unraveling.
They rode the lightning. I am vulnerable.
Here's how you
You are nothing! That one hurt.
born again!
You need me.
Feels so
Us
calm.
against the world!
Incoming!
Turning up the heat.
I suck.
Now I'm really hitting hard.
It's okay.
I better give this next a shot.
Double KO! That's 3!
I thought I was the dangerous one, Jean. Some uninvited guests.
We're finding our groove.
Turning up the heat. You deserve that, dear.
Got you! I like the almost there! Don't turn back now!
Follow us, little spider.
Need some help.
You belong to me! Track this enemy.
I like the cold.
Now I'm really hitting hard.
I can't say I'm.
You are nothing! I like the cold. You're so Go!
Contact play.
Finish the job well.
You are nothing!
Here's how you shoot!
But they had to go.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up in the momentum.
Your powers at all!
Double KO!
Now I'm really hitting
Center
hard.
stage.
Track this enemy. Destroy the spider nest.
Saying anyway. Right, Tony? I like the cold.
Follow this enemy. Hurricane!
I will keep the thunder raging in
Turning
your
up the
honor,
heat.
Cora.
If Spider Zero does not pass it! Don't let anything stand in your way!
Turning up the heat.
Double KO!
You belong to me!
Need some help. So close! This is your big chance! I suck!
Cosmic
Alright, y'all, that was the end of that video. It was a short video. We won the match. It was dope. I'm a big Marvel Rivals fan. Love that game ever since it dropped. I need to play it more because I stopped playing it, but I was playing other games. I got so many different games. Woo-woo. But anyway, that was the video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all like it, man. This new studio, Elgato Studio software is dope. It's dope. Only thing that I recommend for them is to input a mic or input a camera, because that's what a 4K capture unit didn't have. They didn't have a camera. They had everything but a camera. Input a camera and a mic. Perfect. The perfect recording studio. It's Elgato Studio. So come on, y'all. Elgato, hook us up. On that note, man, I'm gone.